guys, it's mzosofabolousTV and I'm here today to share with you guys how I installed my birthday unit, y'all. So yes, she is an old desired beauty unit of mine. She was once a 16-inch wig that I had, like a 16-inch wavy wig, and I watched Malibu Dollface Barbie's video on how to cut and style this wig to get this actual cut right here. I wish I would have filmed it, but I didn't think about doing it because I didn't know if I was going to achieve the cut properly anyways in the first place. But voila. So if you guys are interested in the cut, I will leave his video in the description box below. So if you guys want to see how I slayed this birthday look, honey, then please stay tuned. Once I have my stocking cap on, what I'm going to do is cut out my ears. What this is going to do is help lay the cap down while I apply the Gots to Be Freeze Hold Spray. I'm going to apply this to my edges and take a dryer to help dry this process. Once it is dry, I'm going to take some small scissors and cut away the excess cap. Once my cap is secure, I'm going to go in and apply 100% alcohol and clean off any excess oils on my forehead. This is going to allow whatever adhesive that you apply first to last much longer. I'm going to use 3 strips of tape and glue. For glue today, I'm going to be using the Bold Hold glue. I like to use tape and glue when I'm looking for a long hold. By using glue and tape, I can ensure a good 2-week hold with my unit without having to reapply. I went in and applied 2 layers of glue, let it dry in between each one. Once the glue is dried clear, I'm going to go ahead and pat down the unit. This was an old unit of mine that I cut and styled, so the knots were already bleached. Once I have the wig bonded down, I'm going to go ahead and take some wrapping paper and help secure the edges and let this lay the unit down for 20 minutes while the glue really sets. I'm going to go in with my straightener and just start straightening the hair and styling it the way I need it to be. After 20 minutes, I'm going to remove the tape from my edges, and all I'm gonna do is take a hot comb now and further just style this unit how I want it. Make sure it's nice and flat and secure to my head how I want it to get that really nice natural look. Upon doing this, I noticed that the cut was a little bit longer than I wanted it to be on one side, so then I'm gonna go ahead and take my scissors and just kind of cut it a little bit more and get it to how I want it after I lay my baby hair. Now I'm warning y'all, I am not a baby hair girl. I really like the edge look with no baby hair. I don't naturally have baby hair, but once you have it styled how you like, this is the final outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, please make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Until the next one, you guys. Bye.